Hey there, welcome back to our series on e-commerce data and trends. Today we're going to dive into how agencies and advertisers are using automation to increase impact and drive decisions. Now, if you're in the e-commerce game, you're probably aware that by the end of 2023, 1 in every 5 retail sales will be made online. With this ever-growing number of accounts, metrics, and responses, you may feel like you're drowning in an information overload. But fear not. Automation and key performance indicators are your lifesavers in this scenario. Let's dive into how our partners and agencies are using data to their advantage to help steer their marketing strategies. Let's talk about first-party data, with Google as an example. Google Shopping is one of the top channels used by Channable clients, but Google has committed to tighter privacy regulations and will continue to phase out its use of third-party cookies now and into the future. This is a topic that has a lot of marketers with retargeting strategies concerned, but there's a solution. Your reliance on first-party data will only grow as third-party data continues to be phased out, and automation is key to putting your first-party strategy in place. According to our agency partner, Savvy Revenue's founder, Andrew Lolk, one of the biggest challenges for e-commerce advertisers is attribution. When you're tracking Facebook, YouTube, Google, SEO, and website tracking, along with affiliate ads, it can be tough to understand consumer reactions to your marketing. If you don't know where to allocate your spend, you won't know what's contributing to your success. Using a feed management solution to centralize your campaign management allows you to collect first-party data, identify top performers, streamline performance, and gain a full overview of all of your campaigns. If you like this content and want to learn more, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with more content about how to manage your online advertising. Another way you can put automation to work besides tracking performance is to actually generate ads. Our partners at Artifact use Channable to automatically generate PPC ad campaigns based on their data feeds, and the results have been impressive, with click-through rates increasing by 19% and cost per action decreasing by 16%. Putting ad automation and attribution together, you can dive even deeper and adopt a more comprehensive marketing strategy, focusing on POAS, profit on ad spend, as an example. Guy Scheppers, head of paid at our partner Fingerspits, believes that one of the biggest challenges for e-commerce businesses right now is achieving the correct balance between growth and budgets. Most companies who used to rely on return on investment, or ROI, as a basis for success, started to focus more on ROAS, which yields a more immediate, short-term view of how distinct ads or campaigns are performing. Scheppers is now seeing clients shift again away from ROAS and towards profit on ad spend, POAS. POAS takes both cost and order combination into account, allowing clients more visibility into the total conversion value of the customer lifecycle. So if you haven't been evaluating this metric, now's the time to pay attention and start including it in your data analysis. As further proof that this type of campaign can succeed, we did a case study with agency Sementis and their client DM Lights. For their search campaigns with Channable, they saw a 70% increase in POAS year over year and a 130% increase in total profit year over year. All of this was achieved by connecting and automating promotions and prices across their channels, identifying top performers, and giving them more ad spend for greater impact. All in all, the trend we see here is clear. Automation allows you to get more out of your data and helps you scale, while also freeing you up to make more informed decisions on your strategy and goals. If you want to dive deeper into our user trends, check out the full report in the description box down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into e-commerce in our next segment. Thanks for watching.